All right, now let's discuss the role of a judge in a traffic ticket in and around the St. Louis area, whether it's the city, county, or one of the municipalities. So to begin with, it should be pointed out that most of the judges that sit on the bench in and around St. Louis are usually doing it part-time. So if you have a municipality up north, like say Ferguson or Calverton Park, the judge usually has his own private practice where he does criminal defense on the side as well. Matter of fact, the judge may be a judge in one municipality and a prosecutor in another. Now, that probably sounds pretty strange and a conflict of interest, but the Missouri Supreme Court says that that's okay. Now, here's the main point to be made about the role of the judge. The judge, as the title serves, says that he or she can make judgments about whether or not the charge that you've been handed is valid or not. Now, the judge is going to rely on the prosecutor quite a bit for a recommendation as to what should be done with the case, but that's if you get an attorney. Now, if you don't get an attorney, you're going to interact with the judge every single court date. And here's typically how it goes. You'll sit in the back, there's a bunch of rows of chairs. The judge obviously is sitting up front behind a table or a bench. And one by one, each name will be called, and you'll be asked to come and stand before the judge. The judge will read the charge. You've been charged with speeding. How do you plead? Or what do you want to do? Now, you could plead guilty at that point. That would take care of it that evening. You wouldn't go to jail. You pay a relatively small fine, maybe about $100, $150. But the state of Missouri can then assess points to your permanent driving record. That's what gets you, because when you get points on your record, your automobile insurance is going to shoot through the roof, and it's going to stay that way for several years. On the other hand, if you were to hire a traffic ticket attorney like me, we can handle the ticket for you and get it fixed. In other words, we can negotiate a deal with the prosecutor to get the ticket reduced down to a non-moving violation so that no points go on your record and your automobile insurance stays the same. And what's the ultimate benefit? You never have to go to court. You never have to see the judge, never have to talk to the prosecutor. We do it all for you. And we try to keep our fees as low as possible in order to do that. So if you have a traffic ticket, no problem. Give us a call. We'll help you out, answer all your questions, give you your full range of options, and make sure your record stays clean. If you found this video useful, please do like it. We also have a YouTube channel that offers other information about traffic and criminal matters and warrants. So you might want to subscribe to that as well. Anyways, if you got a ticket, please do give us a call right away.